This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the mechanical prerequisites. Make sure you have at least 10 faith and enough attunement slots to cast one slot spell and equip a talisman. Once done, move directly to the Irithyll area and clear a safe route toward the chapel where the miracle NPC resides. This prevents interruptions. When you first reach the vendor, exhaust every dialogue option and gestures to unlock future inventory. Don't leave before you've heard all lines and checked their wares. Once you've met the NPC and cleared prerequisite quest beats, trigger their inventory update by progressing the linked event. That could be defeating a specific boss or returning an item. After the vendor refreshes, locate Lightning Arrow in their miracle list and buy it with souls or the required trade item. The price and conditions vary. Then rest at any bonfire, open a tune spell, and place Lightning Arrow into an available slot so you can cast it immediately in combat. Finally, test Lightning Arrow on a low-risk enemy to confirm it's equipped, observe cast time, and learn its tracking. If you can't find or buy the miracle, make sure the NPC hasn't been killed. Repeat all dialogue steps, trigger any related quest steps, then rest at a bonfire or reload the area to force an inventory refresh. If it still fails, check your faith requirement and switch to a higher scaling talisman to maximize damage. That usually resolves performance issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.